Trust God from the bottom of your heart. Don't try to figure out everything on your own. Proverbs 3, verse 5. So first and first off, I'm just gonna go in with my princess and prince wipe to just clean my face. It's a baby wipe, it's both for face and body. And next off, I'm going in with this foundation. I'm actually mixing the foundation with my primer, and I'm gonna mix that together. I'm gonna leave the combination in my description bar, so check it. And the foundation was sort of dark though, but we still came through because we're gonna highlight. So I'm going in with my Ferrari concealer to just highlight my face, highlighting basically the point that I want the light to hit. Mind you, my foundation is dark, but I'm using an extremely light concealer just to balance up my complexion. I'm going in underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, my chin, and my forehead. So next up, I'm going in with my beauty blender to just blend that out, trying to dab and blend at the same time, and I'm making sure to focus it on that spot that I put the concealer, not dragging like all the way. And yes, we blending that concealer out. Boo. And blending my reverse contour, guys, please just ignore my cornrows. I'm gonna be wearing a wig, but just ignore it. Just act like you never saw my cornrows, okay? Blend, 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 blend. We got to blend that concealer to look seamless. So next up, I'm just going to blend the hash line with my foundation brush, and I'm going to be baking my face. Not baking though, but I set my face with my banana powder. I'm just going to set literally everywhere that I highlighted with the concealer. Yes. So yes, we have our brows done. I'm gonna go in with my Ava eyeshadow primer in the number one and just prime my eyes, get them ready, get them fleeky for my eyeshadow. Going in with my Lorac eyeshadow, I'm taking those two shades and just putting it at the front side of my eyelid. That's like closer to my tear dot. I'm just gonna focus it on that area, like as you can see. So just trying to focus it on that point. We're not moving into the center, we're just focusing on the front part of our eyelid. Yes. I like how the blending brush just apply that shade. It makes it really look nice. I'm gonna take my Tara blush palette. This palette, I barely reach for this palette, but I still love the shades of blush in this palette, and I love using it for an eyeshadow more often. So I'm just gonna use that and put that at the center and use that like the purple kind of shade to just blend the ends of my brows, the ends of my eyeshadow. Wow, just blend it like outward. And going in with that brown shade, mind you, I'm using just one brush for this activity, and I'm just trying my best to just like dust off the powder by knocking it off. Taking the brown shade, I'm just going to use that to just blend the upper part to make my eyeshadow look seamless and well blended. I'm going to go in with my ADS eyeliner, like gel liner thing, and just draw my eyeliner. Give me some really nice wing. I'm gonna wing it like inward and outward, that's to my tear dot area, and outward as well. So next off, I'm going in my Davis pencil in black, in the shade black, and I'm gonna use that in my waterline and blending of the excess powder immediately, like the places of my face that I feel like I baked a bit. I'm just going to blend that out. And next off, I am going to contour my face with that darkest shade from the Tara palette, and contouring my nose as well. Like, we have to pay attention, guys. Like, we can't deal. Guys, guess what, my highlight broke. My highlight broke. Like, I actually went to do a makeup for a model and it broke, and yes, we're still gonna use that. And her favorite, like her, I love this stuff. Like, it's my, oh Jesus, Lord, it's my Any Lady 3D highlight. I just like pick random shade because it broke and some of the shade were entering the other, so I just picked anyone and just highlight my face like the one that most matched my skin tone. Highlight the high point of my face, my cubic bowl, my chin, and the bridge of my nose, and as well my forehead. Yes, boo. I'm gonna take my setting spray and just set my entire face, because we don't want to appear too out there. We want to allow our face to set. Okay, it's just gonna make the makeup last more. And I'm taking those two liquid lipstick from Classic Makeup, and this dark one is in Thunder, using it to line my lip, and this one is in Hollywood. I think I'm gonna leave the name in the description bar to be sure. Blending that out and going on to wear my wig. This is like one of my oldest wig. God bless us, we upgrade to new wigs, bro. Taking that big jar of water and just making the coil more intense. I'm going to be doing a video very soon on the hair thing, like how to make your hair more beautiful and the curls appear better. So guys, yes, basically, oh my god, who's this? Like, who's she though? Like, honey, honey, we ain't yet to play, bro. We ain't yet to play. Come on now. Yes, she's looking flourishing. Yes guys, this is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And really guys, comment down below what you think on this video. I love you guys more. Princess Adiri, love you guys more, but God loves you most. Bye.